The event today was colorful and we appreciate the effort that we've done. Now we are leaving these things to young people, so we should carry on. Yeah, we've been doing it and we don't want to get stuck there. We are not like those politicians that don't want to leave the task to young tax. So we appreciate the effort done. Then we hopefully next year we can do it twice or even thrice.
So any challenges?
Challenges, not quite, because when you're given a task, you have to deliver. But perhaps you're told you should cater for the cost. You do your work, and I know everything will be good.
2017, you're still representing me.
Definitely, my friend. Definitely.
I'm going with you. So tell people from Dagoretti one thing that will make 2017 we'll talk about this.
Okay, we've been there, and I believe we'll still be there. We leave everything to the Most High God, and hopefully 2017 I'll be representing the people of Dagoretti, and not only 2017, we'll still be there because I'm born Dagoretti and I'm Dagorettian by blood. Blessed.
Diba Ranks, Henry Morioki, my county rep, my DJ, my elder, big time.
Love.
Yeah.